huge facelift. So for practicality, the GLE is way better. Two Mercedes stars. This one does not have the soft closing doors. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the new GLE Coupe, the second facelift. And a lot has changed for it to be a facelift. And it is also very special to have a second facelift. So we see here in the front, the grille, it has increased. It really carries a lot of the design elements from the S-Class and the E-Class, and now it all makes sense again. We have the headlight, which is relatively large, moving into the grille, connected with this black panel, and we have two Mercedes stars on each side, showing that this is part of the E-Class family. I also noticed the blue details inside. This is because we now have for the first time on the GLE and the GLS family the digital lights. They are on the level of the S-Class, and this is very special since it has 40% more LEDs compared to the predecessor S-Class and 50% energy reduction. So ultra technology on the GLE and GLS. This GLE Coupe carries the Night 2 package. So it has darkened chrome all over the vehicle. You can see that here for the front grille, the lower diffuser, the door handles and in the rear. But I will show you that later on. In today's video I will show you everything that has changed for this huge facelift. It did change not that drastically as the GLE, mainly because of the rear. It is not connected with the lines, but we do have the Mercedes stars inside. This one does not have the soft closing doors, but it is optional because the GLE next to me has it. And before I show you more of the interior, I really want your opinion. What do you think about the rear design of that GLE? Write it in the comment section below, compared to this design that is not really changed with the connecting lines. So right here we have the super screen. That means 3 screens, all of them are 12.3 inches. And we have the MBOS, the operating system. So it is connected with ChatGPT and Gemini to give you the right answers. Here also there is no head-up display, but it is of course optional. We have beautiful gloss carbon fiber at the middle, the center console, as well as the door trim and the dash. These are the new air vent systems. As you can see, the car is currently in a 79% charging state, so this is the hybrid version. I did talk about the webcam over here, since it is mandatory and it is part of new laws, but Mercedes made it useful because now you can use it as camera for Teams meetings. We have the man-made leather seats, pretty basic I would say. You can also go for the diamond stitching or the blocks or full Napa leather. And we do have beautiful full Alcantara roofline and pillars. For the coupe, the A-pillar is a little bit closer to your head. So for practicality, the GLE is way better. But it does give the sportive look and feel. Amazing. Beautiful with the super screen. The steering wheel is also new. It has the latest physical buttons on the steering wheel to change the volume or to set the speed for the Distronic Plus. We have the new air vents design. Similar positioning to the S-Class one, but different because it is more off-road style. We have the seat controls. Amazing, with the heated seats, ventilated seats, and you can change the right seat. The coupe is just such a beautiful design. It really looks thick with the shoulders in the back. Beautiful how it continues all the way to the back. And this one has the AMG Line Plus package. Hence the spoiler over here. And also the darkened exhaust pipes, darkened chrome for the Night 2 package. I will just open the door of both the front and the rear door, so we can have a look at the total view definitely noticeable is the super screen, which is new. Tail lights now have the Mercedes stars inside, as well as in the front Mercedes stars. Digital lights, overall a huge improvement compared to the previous facelift. This is now 3 years after the first facelift was introduced. For the rear, also gloss carbon fiber door trim. Panoramic roof continues to halfway the second row. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the GLE Coupe second facelift, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Hast du? Ja.